Hello! So we're up in Squaw Valley for the weekend. This is super close to Lake Tahoe, and it's the first time we've traveled, done air travel with the baby. Yesterday we flew into Reno and then drove here to Squaw Valley, and it was great. It was a success, though we did almost miss our flight in the morning. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to show you what we're eating while we're up here in Squaw Valley and away from home. I've gotten a lot of questions about how do you travel and stay vegan and still eat well and still eat healthy. So I'm going to show you how we've done that. I'm going to show you everything we eat and all the fun stuff we do today. And this video is sponsored by Ritual, the multivitamins that I've been using. I'm going to tell you more about these soon. Luckily, we are staying in a suite with a full kitchen, so that makes things very easy. We did our grocery shopping at Whole Foods as soon as we left the airport yesterday. We rented a car, which is really a bonus, and we can cook for ourselves. So we're gonna have some toast for breakfast this morning, avocado toast. We got bread and avocados at Whole Foods yesterday, but I'm just too hungry to wait for that. I'm eating my fresh fruit right now. I always eat fresh fruit first thing in the morning though, before I eat anything else. This is number one. But today, I've so far gone 12 hours without eating, because all last night I was asleep in the bed with the baby, and then I'm really hungry, y'all. So fresh fruit it is, and then after I have more energy, then I'll eat the toast. Now before we head out for the day, now that I've had my breakfast, I'm going to take my multivitamins. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know that I wasn't taking multis for a very long time, just because most multivitamins have so many nutrients that you don't need. And I like Ritual, which is our sponsor for today's video, because there are only 9 essential nutrients in here. That's it. Only the stuff you need, no extra fillers or just unnecessary stuff. So I feel a lot safer about taking these. They're also vegan. Even the vitamin D and the omega-3 in here is vegan. The omega-3 is from algae, and vitamin D is from lichen, as opposed to wool, which, believe it or not, that's usually how they get vitamin D. So I'm going to take my vitamins this morning. They're super cute looking, and it's really just nice when you're traveling to not have to worry about taking a whole bunch of different vitamins. By the way, I met the owner at my favorite cafe in our neighborhood in Los Angeles. Ritual's based there, and I told her how I've been taking these vitamins for a while and how I love them, and they're the only multi that I will take. So it's super cool. It's a women-owned company. They do a lot of research. I also met the woman who's the chief researcher at the company, so I feel really good about taking these vitamins. So of course, that makes me feel a lot better about recommending them as well. So I have a special discount for you guys. Use my code SWEETSOUL when you shop at ritual.com. I'll also have a link down below so you can just click through, and you'll get 10% off your first 3 months of Ritual vitamins. They're delivered straight to your door. You don't have to go out and buy them. They come when you need them, so you don't ever have to worry about running out. You only have to take 2 a day. It's as simple as that. And you can just feel a lot better about making sure that you get all the nutrients that you need. So check that out. Like I said, the code is down below. And let me take my vitamins so we can get out of here and enjoy the beautiful, beautiful weather that we have here in Squaw Valley today. Yeah. Hello. What are you looking at? My chip? Are you looking at my chip? Are you looking at my chip? Yum, yum, yum. You can't eat this yet. We're back in our room. I'm having a little snack of tortilla chips and hummus. This is the weirdest hummus I've ever had. But I'm hungry, so I'm having this as a snack. And then I think Max is going to make a salad while I lay down and feed the baby and take a nap, hopefully, before my talk, which is like in an hour and a half. So you have to squeeze a lot in really quickly. Yes, you can't have any. No, no. Hey, chick, you dancing? This salad's really good, Max. Thank you.
I did my best.
You did a good job. All dressed up for my talk. There's not a full-length mirror in here, unfortunately. But I think I look pretty good. I'm about to go in there to have my talk. I'm super excited. Daddy Max is holding baby Jay. She's ready for her nap, so that should be good. But I'm really excited. Okay, see you. So I just finished my talk. It went really well, better than expected. I was a little nervous at first because I'm not that used to doing public speaking, but I think it went really well. We're gonna get changed into our yoga clothes and do something else. I don't know if we're gonna do yoga just yet. We're probably gonna go for a little hike first, right? Or maybe find the pool. Let's find the pool.
Yeah.
I think we should find the pool because it's hot. Excuse me. Do you know where the pool is? Okay, we're about to head right back out. I'm having nectarine. Last one, but it's so sweet. Chelsea.
Oh, hey girl! We finally met in person.
Right? Away from Atlanta. Yes. All the way in Squaw Valley.
Squaw Valley. It took all the way across the country to find each other. So happy to meet you.
We were on that amazing gondola together. Is that a gondola?
Yeah.
Right?
Or a tram. There it is.
So fun.
Yes.
So pretty. We're gonna have our dinner on this beautiful but very loud patio. That's why I'm not standing out there right now to record this, because there's a big concert going on and there's just a ton of people walking around. So we're gonna have dinner out here and people watch and listen to the music. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was such a successful first airplane vacation or trip with the baby. We still have one more full day here in Squaw Valley and I'm very excited about that, to explore more. It's been beautiful. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.